Vivint is one of the more polished names in smart home security, and its biggest strength is simple. Everything is designed to work together. You get professionally installed security equipment, smart locks, cameras, sensors, and home automation features that you can control from one app. The experience feels premium, and compared to piecing together a bunch of random smart devices, it's definitely more convenient. The downside, convenience is rarely cheap because apparently human civilization decided subscriptions were a personality trait. So Vivint can be expensive, especially when you factor in equipment, professional monitoring, and potential long-term costs. Some users may also prefer a DIY system with fewer commitments and more flexibility. But if you want a professionally installed, fully integrated, smart security system and you're willing to pay for that convenience, then Vivint is the strong option.